So next I wanted to talk about Autobuild. You can actually use Autobuild to generate system platform objects from the structure of PLC objects directly. This helps improve engineering efficiency by reading the structure of a PLC program, and it automatically builds out the application server templates and instances based on the PLC schema. This can actually lead to faster time to runtime operations and better integration between system platform and your equipment. So the PLC supported include Allen Bradley, Siemens, and Schneider. So the most popular PLC brands are supported here. In this video, you'll see how easy it is to use Autobuild in your OI server configuration process.
With our new operations integration servers, we have you in mind. In our latest release of our operations integration servers, we are introducing Autobuild. Through Autobuild, we are leveraging the intelligence built in with our connectivity strategy to allow you to use the OI servers to actually build projects. With tight integration with application server using Autobuild, you can connect directly to the PLC controllers and extract all the structure and tags that have already been configured in the controllers and use that information as the baseline for your application server project. With a simple set of steps and a streamlined selection process, in no time you will actually be on your way to having a structure set for your project, ready to start leveraging the power of Wonderware system platform. Whether you are an experienced user or you are just using OI servers and application server for the first time, Autobuild guides you and sets the stage so that you are successful, efficient, and productive.
So as you can see, guys, the main advantage to Autobuild is that it just saves you time, right? So instead of having to recreate templates and objects from scratch, you can actually extract them from the PLC code itself. You don't even have to include all the objects and attributes from the PLC. You can actually choose them, right? So you can trim items that you don't need in your SCADA environment if you want to.